Today, I'm going to be walking you guys through how we would use some different tools that are available to us in scenario analysis. So, upon hopping into scenario analysis, you'll see that we have scenario one already built out for us by our software. So, it's a carbon copy of that 1040. And if we were planning to do any sort of planning scenario for a client, whether that was a Roth conversion, a DAF, a QCD, it might be confusing to know where to start for that. So, Holistiplan has created this tool called our Scenario Recipes tab. In here, you can open this up and hit this drop down bar. And not only is it going to give you a list to get some ideas stirring of what kind of scenarios you could run in this software, but upon hopping into one of them, it actually will give you a step by step breakdown of how to build out this specific scenario in the software. Most of our power users find this to be super helpful as they're beginning to understand scenario analysis because it gives them a starting point to use. So if you're looking to do any sort of planning opportunity for a client, Scenario Recipes is the place to start.